Guys, what's up? We're getting close to being out in the mountains. We had to stop and get a few supplies. Had to get some propane because we're going to burn the logs, and had to pick up some more diesel fuel, and got some burgers we're going to grill out this afternoon. It was supposed to rain, but it acts like it's going to hold off, so that'd be great. I think what we're going to do is remove those shed doors so that we can get to the sawmill, because I don't have the hinges yet. There is quite a bit of sawdust in there. I need to remove that, but get it opened up where we can put a couple of logs on there and get those milled up. And I guess tomorrow I'll get the router out, get the mortises and all the tenons cut. How does it feel to be back in Tennessee?
It feels great to be back in Tennessee. I have my finger and it works. Kind of messed the trip up last time because the first day I was back, cut my finger, and then every day after that it was like everything just took twice or three times as long, you know, your index finger on.
I forgot to show you back there the other night when I was going home. I come across the top of a little hill and there was a black bear walking in my lane down the road. He just acted like I wasn't behind him. Anyway, take a look at this. They're supposed to be kind of this time of the year now, they will be checking out places to hibernate, but also before they do that, they come down to the lower elevations there's a lot of apple orchards around, to eat off of the apples and kind of gorge themselves on that before they go and hibernate, and anything else that they can find. Hey guys, welcome back to the outpost. As you can see, I removed the doors from the front of the shed there because what I'm going to try to do is take these logs and see if we can't get them in the sawmill with that great big extension that I've got on there. We think we've got a way figured out where we can do it. We don't know. We're going to try. Okay, what we've decided to do is we're going to, I've got this cut up into a 7x7, and what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and stay. It's about another hour before it gets dark. It's kind of getting dark inside here to see the cut, but anyway, we're going to set up the sawhorses out there, we're going to move the log outside, and then we're going to square it off on each end, and we're going to cut the tenons and just basically leave it set there until tomorrow. So I'm going to go ahead and go get the sawhorses, set them up, and we'll get this off of here and we'll make that happen. Well, we managed to get one done, but actually we got, I don't know, let's see, they were 13 feet long and we got 12 of them?
11 or 12.
Yeah, so we've got, we also got about 150 board feet of lumber over there, plus this 7x7 beam. So I lack 3 more. We'll try to work on those tomorrow, and then just 2 posts. So, yeah, we're trying to do this as quick as we can, but anyway, you do what you got to do. You know, it's rainy, the clouds, there's not much daylight. It's getting too dark in here for me to actually see the numbers over there unless I shine a flashlight, but then it's a little bit dangerous. So he's probably got jet lag too. So, my daughter, what was it she made?
Chili.
So Jennifer made chili. We're gonna go change clothes and run over to her house and have some chili. We appreciate every one of you viewing, watching the material, and supporting the channel by subscribing. Don't forget our giveaways. We hope that everyone has a safe afternoon. Take care, be safe, and we both look forward to seeing you at the outpost in the future.